lawyer me mo kwaba no pe
Mpacho me jinso
na what to say
boko
odon fadaro me busie nyina so what to say
you say Mother's TV
yeah
and a Mother's FM never na be radio no kanim na in fact from the time moye test we na things are money no ekoyi pa so be proud and it really goes for because you say I will watch and especially those who are going through divorce and those who are going through abuse and marital abuse in their can't me that was say me kwai wa pa as many freku
yes that is say wa jepini no mpo say obeba be share ye wo fidua mu na one yen atwetwe enkomo atre ade esua ade aware mu enkomo na ye ba bebo no eni empempi awareja ye eka ne ho ewo awarefo entem awade no yenim se egu ahodo eho mra etechi nankasa eyedien na yemfrase ewo aware nankasa emu edien na yebotaye ntie wo se ye wade obi wo ho a o ware because o hia nipa no se odono na okoware afei eye kakra bi na bia o mahia wi anase bibi achi o se medo efra aware nim na wo chai o ware a edien ne dien na wo se o hwe hu ne se aware a mekomi ebeboa na sei na wo se me ye no
okay me dey kind free the reasons why people marry. Yes, if you get the reason wrong, it's a dying crowd. If you get the foundation wrong, be build basis to be people are marrying for all sort of reasons. Obi are for survival, coming a dinner, baby because as a divorce lawyer, I do mainly divorce.
Okay.
Once I make court, I say after here I go divorce in Kwana because I've been 102.7 mountain B. Say if you are going through divorce, I say people can see me see them. I say we free. So if you get the reason wrong, I've handled a lot of cases where be or pay favor be or pay travel favor be opportunity and I could do a buchin open crata and obi kra organa say or obi amana be fanako. So the reason and I say bakuni sikeni or kwari sikeni na nyama yi. So if the reason is wrong and Imrano doesn't deal with love. Okay. So if marriages are being celebrated because of love, what is really love will be and perhaps love is sacrifice. Into say say for better and for worse. So the end death do us part. No, in sickness and in yes. So now the divorce happens where it is only for better and for better. There's something like worse and there's something like sickness.
Okay.
Oshe mi book marriage book and divorce book me Oshe on see Genesis 2:18, and the Lord said it is not good that man should be alone.
Okay.
I will make him a helpmeet for him. I'll make a helpmeet for him. And I'm sorry for no. Yeah, some of us we don't know what happens in marriages. Me say I'm not a marriage counselor, even not a relationship expert. But those who celebrate marriages are the pastors or the churches. Before I'm over celebrating marriage, no. Na moya counseling na more day more counseling, no. Because if you do the counseling so well, then you can establish the reasons in tia ni pakono. Worry. Sometimes pastors be very good. But I say no. Where the main person am worry. If you say be kwana be man no engu na worry be. Yes. You say be very na engu na worry be ntina wa heading oba be worry for because of opportunity no. So basically we have three types of marriages. We have the customary marriage, Mohammedan's marriage, and ordinance marriages. Now Osha, apart from the ordinance, the other ones no. Which me worry do be up. I think say Muhammad does say 4 also.
Okay.
You can marry more than one. But so do who ordinance. You are not supposed to marry any other woman until say we gusa aware no. And as aware no so no say we court aware you friend say where they know say we was sign marriage certificate. In Kwanda you need a court of law. When then sa bucket ma kosi engu no kran engu ye. Yes, in a trailer, one ma enguye.
Okay.
It was situations be more edi. So just like you said, if you get the reason wrong, says he can be say me say. No be kokure mu na obe say o de boy mbo. I hope so what you say. Yes, sure. Pa. Say be Ohenewaa na ebi esika be so pem na me person making kind me constitution ya it say me ho sepe mi na ebedu anajo na o de tare entare and only me ye den ya me jaware.
Okay.
So people should be very clear of what they want. So that if you are going to marry, the pastor should ensure that the counseling they do no. The other time they come about personality disorders will be all send your tete no. So send your tete one so.
Yeah.
Ebi ana wo send your tete no ye nyusu ye nipa ofi. But you marry somebody na won say na no ye
ya.
Yes. Obeti na no. And then the mood and then they send or back someone, you know, some of us we have been through very, very toxic marriages. And they may do baby. I think the basis of Ohenewaa advocacy is about my divorce. That I went to law school and I become all this. That's why I do divorce mainly. And also, say no call your law school they're trying about divorce.
Okay.
Divorce carries about 40%. But we have to understand underneath divorce. Then they did divorce, but for the wrong reasons. Yes, then the court will also have to establish any of the grounds, the Matrimonial Causes Act, ensure say be a ground of divorce. Then the grounds, if you are bemana boy jamai or bana boy jamai, jamai no crown, you have to prove to the court that you are unable to live with the person because we be wait to make you crown boy jamai now on any normal. Yes, so adultery is there. Then we talk about unreasonable behavior.
Okay.
Unreasonable behavior and then abuse, different categories here. Maybe I am a preventive crime because I want to understand underneath all the problems, say human rights, say women's rights, say child abuse, whatever. Underneath, what is the layers of abuse? Ayakayaka dena ukomu verbal na se be manete na no wa didi watem
na o tene nsa
bo physical de na didi eyu ene na jutwe bi mo nsa ne ade and I say psychological de so munyama ni bebre na to asanya psychological damage kan na fe so no economic be me come me say na na palo ya no pa mi di gare you make Emmanuel so say reasons when insisting here marriage per se should not be your priority.
Okay.
As a woman, then no person we so nyansa no adwuma so nya adwuma bi a we nya nimdie bi there should be something that you are doing say me amoton kokko ne wa che ne they make a lot of money. What are you doing as a woman except that even people invest when I finish I want to marry you to have a job. Otherwise, you marry somebody because of money and you become a slave. Just like I said, I've talked about some of the reasons and then they put you and then I grounds on
divorce.
Yeah, so adultery, unreasonable behavior, abuse. Obi ohani kun person in the down or pay when you man all those things. And all the son in that style be 40 since a real 40. Or a friend inordinate sexual demands.
Okay.
Or no, but so fun when it's cheap and all those things. You can still bring your case to court for divorce. Then we are talking about desertion for 2 years. Say if you are in 2 years, then we are talking about 5 years, and so not living together as husband and wife for 5 years. If you have any of these reasons and you have a lawyer, he can help you. Yes. So basically, the divorce is the breakdown of the family unit.
Okay.
Obani be mana mabo munam pesa monde mama ware na ma wono. When it breaks down, why so need be breathe, especially with the children. That is why when you go to court, even without a lawyer, the court will give you the release. No, because a lawyer na my if you are worried na D if you are worried. Say the person dem man pata umpo na se wantimi ampata senate here. Section 41 of the Matrimonial Causes Act. Ma o kwan se for 179 court say wedding dey no. Ni ngu ni ma o. na sika na de be ma say be maintenance sika say ni twa de ato say bosumi bia wo be ma no fama oba no no nhwe nkola no. Custody is always to the natural mother unless the woman doesn't want the children. Otherwise, oba no. And I don't like it when women give their children to the men. It's not a good thing. Their children, yes, I say whatever the circumstances. But don't for crowd take one was excess identity. To me, because it's an inventory, the custody should always go to the natural mother. And we have the laws, the Children's Act, and its amendments, Emma custody to the mother, especially children of tender age. It is oh your banner, you abamo buno. Nowadays we have, and I like it that Mothers FM and TV is having this beautiful show that you have a part. It's no boy studio and now mama become us now because ayakayaka be a family. There's always a solution. Okay. And then, so I talked about maintenance and then custody. In paper, custody goes with access. Access, and say, as I said, be man to me best running back.
Oh, our rejay anymore.
No, as I said, be man to me best because when marriages break down, there's nothing like separation. Divorce is divorce. Okay. That is why when you go to court, the court to make all these orders. Say there weekends, nkwala come papa ho. Say omo papa ho so say weekends omo ba omo maame ho. Our joint custody so sometimes be oba na adwuma ne ade. You can agree on something flexible. Okay. But for you to prevent the children from going to their father, you are the world of psychology no. No they not just say oh hankwala no. Okay, we dey wadaro mama mi ensimo kakra oka emma asemi oba bi wo hono mo a awarigyaye no abawie no enkola ne wo ne hono e bia na o kire se papa na ehwe enkola no enti se won hwe enkola ne dia na ehu be ne hia se me ma enkola na ko omo papa ho eto da na omo won reasons why omo ma enkola ne kwan so omo ko omo papa ho enti no the issues are very very pathetic in the sense that if you be enkola na expenditure if you can 2,000 a month, the man can afford either 200 or 300. Okay. If you are the woman that you can afford, no problem. But also, papa train all those things. Sometimes the only thing the children need is to just visit their father with nothing, which the emotions. So basically, it is the building of the emotions. So that if the woman can afford that and the man cannot afford that, but in my man said, calm down, let the woman know the situation. Give the woman respect. Because Obaba got pregnant in 9 months. I was especially for us who are single, struggling mothers. You have to be there. Yeah. You have to be there for the child. So if the child for the emotions, because they say Kolano Muni without emotions.